Hello guys, welcome back to Anup channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today I am going to show you how you can deploy smart contract on BSC network. So let's start the video. Right. So let's open the Chrome and we will open over here Remix. Okay, Remix Ethereum IDE we have opened, right? You can see, so it will show you dashboard like this, right? And after this you have to just click on contracts, right? You can see over here contracts, and after clicking over here you have to just click create. You can see over here, right? You have to just create new file, right? We will create a new file over here and give the name to the file whatever we want to put the name of contact. So now I will put the name Anup. Example, my coin name will be the Anup, right? So I will put Anup, right, and hit enter. Automatically it will create Anup.solidity, right? SOL. So now we will code over here, right? So just we have to, I will provide you the code that I have written, right? The Solidity code for the BSC Smart token. Okay, so now we will put the code over here, right? Just I have put the code over here, and now we will change the code, right? We will change the token name, token, all the details, right? I will guide how to you have to do, right? You can see in the line number 790, right? You can see in the line number 790 you have to provide the your smart contract name. So I will put over here now as Anup, right? You can see Anup. So it will be my coin name Anup, and I will give a short name, right? AP. My short name symbol will be AP, right? You can say, and you can select how many decimal, private decimal you have to put. I have selected 18, right? And now after putting the name of the coin in line number 790, you have to go up, right? Little up, and you will see the contract, right? Line number 769, right? You have to put the same over here also what we put it on the line number 790 as the name, right? We will copy this same and we will go to the line number 769 and we will change this also and put the Anup, right? And now we will compile the code, right? After putting all the details we will compile the code, and in this smart contract that I have written, in this you need two MetaMask wallet address, guys, right? One will be our main address to deploy the contract, and second will be the marketing wallet address where we will get the funds of marketing, right? So let me show where you have to put the marketing address. You have to put in the 782, line number 782. You can see you have to give the marketing wallet address. So I have already given my marketing wallet address from MetaMask, right? You can see it's my MetaMask, and I have copied the my wallet address marketing and I have put it over here, and I have already done, right? So now we have put it the marketing wallet address also. Now if you want to change anything in the code, like you have to change the marketing marketing revenue, how much you want to earn, right, and all the things, so you can contact me on Telegram, right? I will tell you how to do, right? So in this video, just you can see tax fee I have put at 4%, right? Marketing fee I have put at 4%, and liquidity fee 5% I have put it. So now whenever any transaction will be done on my token smart contract, it will automatically deduct 4% fees, right, and 4% marketing fees that will come to our wallet, right? Marketing wallet address for marketing purpose, and also 5% liquidity fee will go to the all the shareholders who are holding our smart token, right? So you can change this also. Now we will deploy the code, right? So we have to click over here, right? You can see in the green symbol, just you have to click over here. We have to select the compiler 0.8.7. After selecting this, just you have to click Solidity and compiler default, right, and auto compile. After selecting all this, you have to just go to the contract and select the name of the smart contract, right? You can select Anup.sol right over here. After selecting this, you have to just compile the code, compile anup.sol. Just click on this, right? When you will click on this, after it automatically compile the code, right? And you can see now my code is compiled. Now we will go click on over here, deploy and run transaction, right? Just you have to click over here and you can select over here environment, right? So now we have to select, guys, injected web3, right? We will select injected web3 over here, and when you select injected web3, it will automatically connect to our MetaMask wallet, right? So now my MetaMask wallet is automatically connected to my account, right, to the Remix Ethereum to deploy the contract, right? And over here you don't have to do anything, just you have to select over here and you have to select Anup, right? Anup contract anup.sol, right? After this selecting, you have to select, after selecting this, you have to just simply click on deploy button, right? When you will click on the deploy button, it will the transaction like failed, do you want to force sending? So now it's showing something, so we will change the transaction details. Okay, so now we will select Anup contract anup.sol. Okay, and we will deploy over here. Once again some error came, let me check. So okay, let me delete first this one. Okay, so now we will select this anup.sol, right? And we have done all the changes, right? You can see now we have to just go and okay, we have to save, and now we will deploy the code, compile anup.sol. Okay, compile. So we have to recompile, there is some bugs, right? It's showing some bugs. Now we will click over here again and we will injected web3, right? And we will select this, and now we have to just select over here, right, this, and we have to just click on deploy. So now you can see it will redirect to your MetaMask wallet, and it will ask for the fees, little small amount of fees. You can see how much they are charging, near about, you can see max amount 0.00072.1 something BNB. So it will let me convert it to USD, right? BNB to USD to check how much they are charging for. So they are charging to deploy the smart contract $0.26. So it's too low, guys, less than $1, right? So you can deploy easily. So now we will accept the deployment over from here, right? Confirm. I have confirmed the transaction, and contract deployment pending. So when it will be done, we have to just wait some seconds, right? So you can see downwards, let me show. You can see over here our smart contract creation Anup has been done, right? Block creation done. You can see over here green tick symbol. So now we will just click over here for the notification that we came, just confirm the transaction. So let's wait for some seconds. So you can see over here the transaction is hash is this, right? And our all the things has been generated, right? So our contract has been already created, right? You can check, go to the smart testnet we will go to testnet Binance, right? We have come to this, right, website, and now we will just search for the transaction, right? Oh sorry, Binance testnet. So now you can search for the transaction, so you will find the smart contract already deployed, guys. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can message me on Telegram. Thank you.